figure alongside shows a right angled triangle that is ABC. The dimensions of the triangle in centimeters are given in terms of x. Determine A, the value of f, b, the perimeter of the triangle. So the triangle looks as follows. So we have A, this is B, this is C. This is 2x minus 1. This is x plus 1. And we have x plus 4. Now to solve this question, we will use the Pythagoras theorem, which states that AB squared is equals to AC squared plus CB squared. So if we substitute in the values, we will say 2x minus 1, the whole of this squared equals to AC is x plus 4 squared plus CB is x plus 1 squared. So what this means is that we need to expand the values. So we will have 2x minus 1 multiplied by 2x minus 1 equals to x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 4 plus x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. So this one would be 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. So remember the quadratic identities, which says a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. That is what we have applied here. So this one is equals to x squared plus 8x plus 16, and then we have plus x squared plus 2x plus 1. So if we simplify this, we will get 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 equals 2. Put the like terms together on the right hand side. We will get 2x squared and then plus 10x and then plus 17. So the next thing is we take all these terms which are on the right hand side, we take them to the left hand side. So we will have 4x squared minus 2x squared, and then we have minus 4x minus 10, and then we have plus 1, and then minus 17, which is equals to 0. So if we simplify this, we will get 2x squared minus 14x and then minus 16. This gives us 0. So we can decide to divide throughout by 2. So here, divide throughout by 2, so that we get x squared minus 7x minus 8 equals to 0. Let's use the quadratic equation formula. So we will say to use the quadratic formula. So this one would mean x equals 2 minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, where a equals to 1, b equals to negative 7, c equals to negative 8. So if you substitute in the values, you will get that x equals to negative b. So we have minus 7 plus or minus square root of, we have minus 7 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by negative 8. And then all these divided by 2 times 1. So this one would be equals to x equals to 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 plus 4 times 8 is 32 divided by 2. This one would be equals to 7 plus or minus 49 plus 32 is equals to 81 over 2. We have the value of x equals to 7 plus or minus the square root of 81 divided by 2. So this means that the value of x equals to 7 plus square root of 81 divided by 2, or x equals to 7 minus square root of 1 divided by 2. So this one would be equals to 7 plus the square root of 81 is 9 divided by 2, which is equals to 7 plus 9 is 16 divided by 2, which gives us 8 centimeters. On the other hand, x is equals to 7 minus 9 divided by 2. This one would be negative 2 divide by 2, which is equals to -1. So we will ignore x equals to -1 since we cannot have negative distance. So this means that the value of x equals to 8 centimeters. So the perimeter of the triangle will be given by substituting the value of x in the figure. So we have a triangle. So this is the right angled triangle. We have x plus 1. We have 2x minus 1. And we have x plus 4. This is A. This is C. And this one is B. So we know that AB will be equals to 2x minus 1, which is equals to 2 multiplied by 8 minus 1. Remember that x equals to 8 centimeters. So this one would be equals to 2 times 8 is 16 minus 1 centimeters, which is equals to 15 centimeters. And then we have AC would be equals to x plus 4, which is equals to 8 plus 4 centimeters, which is equals to 12 centimeters. And then finally we have BC would be equals to x plus 1 centimeters, which is equals to 8 plus 1 centimeters, and this one is equals to 9 centimeters. Now the perimeter, let P be the perimeter. P would be equals to AB plus AC plus BC. This one is the same as 15 centimeters plus 12 centimeters plus 9 centimeters. This one is equals to 15 plus 12 is 27 plus 9 gives us 36 centimeters. Now if we are told to find the area of this similar shape, you will put in the formula for finding the area of the triangle. So the area of the triangle will be half base times height. Since we have the dimensions, then you only substitute the correct values. So we can try to do that here on the side. Area equals to a half base is BC times the height is CA. So this one would be a half times BC. BC is 9 times CA is 12. So cancel here by 2, you get 1, cancel by 2, you get 6. So this one would be equals to 9 times 6, which is equals to 54 centimeters squared. So that is how, in case that question is set, if you are to be given that question, that is how you would solve it.
For this and other educational resources, we invite you to visit our YouTube channel. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share our content. You may also enable notifications by clicking the bell icon, so that you are promptly informed whenever we publish new videos.